Okay. The way of rules of spelling. Rules of spelling I collect by from the word from dictionary. First, when you spell, you always follow Q. Okay, you always follows Q. Can you tell me queen, right? Earthquake, equity. Okay, queen, earthquake, earthquake. So, but there's some exceptions to this rule as well. But it's not English. It's not English word. It's like mabaganga, kundaga, chikal. Okay, that's not.
Yeah, there are QAs.
Yeah, QA, QI, and QA. This one, I will show you. Okay, I will copy and send you later. Okay, it's not English word. Then the next is that 2. S never follows X. S never follows X. A number of words are pronounced with an S after the letter X, which often leads to. Are you okay? Drinking water first. So, sorry, I have the phone call. Hello? Hello? ครับตั้งไหนครับ
Can mute
ฮัลโหล
อยู่
ครับ
ตอนนี้
ครับ
That's fine.
คุณครู mute
You're muted.
ไม่ได้ยินครับ
Okay. Okay. Sorry, there's phone call. Okay, then the next. S never follows X. Yeah. For example, there's no example. X when it becomes X first and then it becomes C, excise and excite. Okay. See this one. And then every syllable includes a vowel. Every syllable includes a vowel and sometimes short vowel. And even, do you know schwa sound? That means when you speak without the vowel, that may be vowel. For example, the word temperature. Temperature. How do you spell temperature?
TEMPERATURE.
TEMPERATURE. Temperature. Actually, you don't pronounce it here, right? But there's syllable. Okay, temperature. Okay, and can you pronounce literature? Can you spell literature? Literature, yeah.
LITERA
LITERA.
TURE
Good, the same. Yeah. Temperature, literature. This is please beware of.
What about
okay.
what about words like rhythm?
Yeah, it's a rhythm. Yeah. Rhythm. There's no. It's like there's no
vowel.
Vowel. Okay, for this. Okay. Sometimes once with a short vowel sound, and then number of. Sometimes we have a lot of number of syllables. Sorry. Okay, and then vowel digraph, and there's some sound. We can use another one. This one I will tell you later. The AI, EA, EE. This you may list this word. Which one is may make you confused? Okay, then and then I before E. Okay, recently I checked whether to do pronounce conceive and prescient correctly or not. Okay, please spell conceive for me. Conceive.
CON.
N.
C.
C. Which one?
IE or EI?
Actually, this one is EI. Okay, EI, but prescient. This one. Prescient. PSIE. This one. Okay, not follow the rule. In many words that include I and E side by side, the I come first. Words that illustrate this concept can include needs, believe, cashier, achieve. Okay, it is generally true that I comes before E unless the vowel pair follows the letter C, unless the vowel except after C, right? This one. Yeah, such as the conceit, ceiling, okay, conceive. But this one prescient, that mean because it's from the root word prescient, so it's not CEI, okay, this one. And then if the vowel pair makes a long R sound, such as in neighbor, not neighbor. Like this
Neighbor.
Is EI. And then way is EI as well. Okay? And another word, however, there are quite a few special case exceptions, as with words like leisure, height, and haste. Okay? This one. Then another rule. CK after the short vowel to make, okay, use CK after the short vowel for words that end with a K sound. You need to know when to use CK and K on its own, and the rule is to use CK immediately after a short vowel, such as with duck, sick, tick. But not every word actually. Okay, should end with K, as with silk, bulk, beak, peak, for example. Then the sixth, end one syllable words with double F and L. Okay, one syllable word. For example, Steve, tall. Okay, it will be double. Usually end one syllable words with two S. For example, bliss, kiss, class. Then words that end with S that's pronounced as Z sound. For example, his was, but we write S. Okay, and then S have only one S: cats, dogs, burgers. Okay. Dances, present tense verb, and word of fewer letter have only one S. Okay, this one. And then drop the silent E before most suffixes. drop the silent E. Recently, I teach you about the word irreversible, right? How do you can you spell it? Irreversible.
R-E.
Pardon? Reverse.
R-E.
I-E.
R-E.
R-E.
Reversing.
Reverse. Sorry, irreversible.
ทำอะไร
Not, cannot reverse. How do you
ทำอะไร
spell? How do you spell it? Irreversible. Irreversible.
I-R.
A-R.
Reversible.
And C-S-I-B-L-E. Okay. And then, but for the word, this one, we put irreplaceable.
I-R. R-E-P-L.
Yeah.
A-C-I-B-L-E.
C-I. Really? Are you sure? C.
Yes.
I-B-L-E.
This one, C-E-A-B-L-E. Okay, irreplaceable. These two words have different system. Okay, the word, the first one, reverse, normally use E at the end, right? But this one, when you put the word able or able, it's changed to be I, and there's no E as well. And then replace, we put all the root word, the base word, and then add able. Okay, reversible, and replaceable is one. Yeah, and then this is like manageable. Sometimes we put E. Okay. Then keep all letters with a vowel Y ending. Right, jockey, and sometimes it changed. Journeyed, for example, journeying. Then the prefix all is all less L. Okay? All. For example, almost, also altogether. There's no double L. Then prefix generally don't change the spelling. For example, D to activate, deactivate. Okay. But recently I showed you about the can you remember the word allophone assimilation? Allophone assimilation. Allophone assimilation. Do you know this word? Allophone assimilation.
จำไม่ได้
This word that mean is very similar sound. When we think about the word, that's the root and the prefix actually. Okay, so this allophone does mean another sound of this word. For example, in, when it put before other prefix. For example, other root. For example, L. Start with L. Literate. Listen, literate. So the N becomes L because of the assimilation rule. Okay, it becomes illiterate. Illiteration. So this actually the prefix is in, and then in before M or P or B, sometimes B. Okay, it's become IM. For example, impossible, possible. Then immortal, immoral. Okay, this one. So it's double M. Then another one is R. In when it's become in, and then after by R. Right, listening, you see the word reversible, right? Okay. It's become R. IR. This one. Okay. So this is prefix change, sometimes change the spelling. Okay. And apostrophe, you go where letters are removed. Sometimes, and this not for spelling sometimes. Spelling bee. And then do not end the word with V or J. There's no V or J. For example, so it's the word like hive, like this. Jive. Judge. Judge. H. Even the sound is like V and J. So is that doesn't at the end. Okay.
There's still words that start that
Which one?
end in a V and a J.
Can you tell? Can you tell me?
Improv.
Like
improve, but without the E. That's a word.
Improve.
IMPROV.
Really? V, like that. Okay, let me check. Improve. Okay, good. Excellent. Okay, improv.
Improv.
Good. Yeah, you have this one. And then, is there any word ended by J? Can you guess?
No.
In this time, you may not. If you think you can write it, okay. And then, what is you know the prefix already last time? It's a word syllable and a letter added to the beginning of the root word and alter its meaning. Okay, for example, in the word disappear. Okay, so sometimes you may think it's the prefix and the suffix. A prefix and the root is like this. For example, discuss, like this. Discuss. Discuss doesn't mean this is not the prefix and the root. Okay, this mean it's sorry, it's discreated this apart. Okay, this one is the prefix and the root, and then this. Let me check the word this with not disaster. Disaster. Yeah, that's this as well. Disavow, disbelieving, disburst, disconnect, discern, dissectionate. I'm going to see the word with this, but not the prefix. Okay, I can recall it. Okay, that sometimes this not every spelling from the kind of this means the same, mean not. Okay, but sometimes, for example, discuss doesn't mean you don't talk or something. Okay, but it means another way. Okay, then inform, report, teleport, you know it. And then affix. Okay, affix at the end of the word last time. This is the list of prefix. Anti, does mean before, antebellum, antichamber, anterior. Auto means self, autobiography, autograph, autonomy. Circum means around, circumnavigate, circumscribe, circumvent. Co does mean jointly with, together, coexist, copilot, co-worker. Com together, together with, commiserate, compartment, community. Con with or together, con, the same, yeah. Confound, confluence, conversation, this one. N to put into or surround, encase, endow, envelope. Extol, like excel, extend, exoskeleton, and then extracellular, extraterrestrial, extrovert. Hetero does mean different, not the same. Heterogeneous, heterosexual, heterosexed. Okay. Homogeneous, homogenized, homophone. The very difficult word is about the homophone. It's quite similar, but not the same. It's changed. The meaning is different. Okay, and then homosexual, and then hyperactive, hyperspace, hypertension. This one, hyper means extreme or beyond. Then inter, between, in the midst of, among. For example, intermittent, intersect, interstate. Mega means large, massive. Megaphone, megadose, megabyte. Micro means small, teeny. Microcosm, microphone, microscope. Middle, midpoint. Midnight, mid-season, midterm. Miss means incorrect, bad, wrongful. Misappropriate, misunderstand, misuse. Mono means one or singular. Monogamous, monotone, monochrome. Over, too much, excessive, overcooked, overdone, overwrought. This word, I may check that time. And then post, after, post-date, postscript, post-war. Pre, before, prior to. Prefix, preliminary, preschool. Re, again, do over, reconsider, re-evaluate, rewrite. Semi, partial, somewhat less than fully. Semiconductor, semester, semi-retired. Sub, below, beneath. Subjugate, submarine, subbar. And then the last, trans, across, change, transfer, transgender, translate. Okay, and last time I asked you about the word that mean not. Okay, the words that mean not, for example, mean lacking or without, not. Amoral, atheist, abiotic, app. You may confuse about the prefix or app. App means move away, remove, or not. The same. Abnormal, abstract, absent. And without or not or lacking. Anaerobic, anachronistic, this one. Anhydrous. Anti, against, opposing, contrary to. Antibiotic, antifreeze, antisocial. Contra, contrary to, against, opposing. Contraindicated, contralateral, contraflow. Counter, opposing, contrary to, against. Counter proposal, counter offer, counter attack. D mean reverse, undo, remove. Deactivate, de-ice, deplane. Dis, remove, separate, apart from, disagree, disapprove, disconnect. X, away from, former, lacking, ex-husband, ex-wife, ex-boss. Ill, not. This is the same in ear it's the same, but it's changed because of the allophone assimilation. Okay, the sound is similar. Okay, not, lacking, without, illegal, illegible, illogical, impossible, improper, impermeable, permeable. Then injustice, incomplete, invisible. Irreversible, irreplaceable, irregular. None, not, lacking, without as well. Non-existent, non-fiction, non-negotiable. Then the last, opposite, not, lacking, unkind, unresponsive, unruly. Okay, go. The way that you may memorize it well is separate the word into chunks, not the whole word. For example, misanthropic. How do you remember it? You may break it to chunk like misanthrop. Sorry, like this. Anthrop and pick. Mis is prefix, and anthrop just maybe people, and then and the suffix it for adjective, right? And then to help you know the meaning better is to identify the root words and affixes. Okay, anthro actually means person. This is root word. And there are a lot of words from other languages like Spanish, French. When you spell the word like matter, how can matter? How can you spell? Next time I will teach you about the word from other languages. Okay, and then sometimes you use list your problem words. Okay, you may list recently if you what's wrong, and you write it down to help you memorize it. Okay, from today you may write the list. I check you today, and then I will check you again about the spelling. Okay, then you make the color to see it. For example, like I recently I highlighted.
I use that.
Okay, good, very well. Then if none of that makes sense to you, you're probably not a synesthete. Do you know this word, synesthete? And this is to borrow their tools. Okay, use the color marker to trace the word. Then make up mnemonic device. There's champion speller regularly use the mnemonic training technique. What's it? Mnemonic. Let me check later. Before spelling bee or competition, why some associate each letter of a word with another word? Many associate a mental concept and with a series of movement, almost like a dance, to hand wire and series of letters into the brain much more quickly and reliably than repetition alone. Okay, so it's like to group the word quite the same meaning together. Next time I will tell you about mnemonic training technique. Then study and use commonly misspelled word. Very commonly misspelled word. For example, recommend, privilege. How do you spell privilege? Can you tell me? Privilege.
P-R-I.
P-R-I.
V.
V and then
I.
I.
L.
L.
E.
Yeah.
GE.
Privilege. Is it right? Yes. Okay. Recommend privilege like this. Okay. Practice it. Okay. Good. And then increase your reading. You have to read more. Okay. To be master of hard to spell words. So you read it. Then don't let spelling get you down. The very good thing is that with these two, spelling becomes a matter of habit rather than a puzzle, and writers can concentrate more on the message they are trying to convey. Find more spelling tips. Okay, let's see. This the spelling tip of short vowel, and then okay, I will check you the commonly misspelled word. Can you tell me the word a metal? A metal. How do you spell a metal?
A mental?
Not. I will use this one.
Amateur.
A metal. Amateur. Amateur. A person who engages in a pursuit, especially a sport, on an unpaid rather than a professional basis.
AM?
AM
M?
and AM and M again.
AT.
Again, repeat it. A M
AT?
A T
EUR.
EUR. Good. Okay.
That's amateur.
No, when you spell, you have to repeat the word first. Amateur. Amateur. Just AMATEUR. Good. Okay. Then another word. I want this one. I'm sometimes not very well at pronouncing. It might not you may not get used to it. So
Acquit.
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 ACQUIT. Good. Okay, this means free from a criminal charge. Okay. Then accommodate.
AC.
AC?
C.
C?
Mm.
AMO?
AMO.
ACC? Wait, no. ACC? O?
Mm.
M?
OMO.
OMO. OMO or OMMO.
M.
Again. One more time. Again.
AC?
AC.
OM.
OM.
MO.
MO.
DATION?
DATE.
TE.
Okay, good. Accommodate. Good. Okay. Remember this some word that may misspell. Acceptable pronounced as able, but can be spelled as able and able. For this word, think about the acceptance speech for an award, as this can help you remember the word a second up. Okay, acceptable. Accidentally. If an ly adverb comes from an all adjective, accidental in this case, then the all has to be in the spelling. Okay, accidentally. That rule along with doubling with the C. Okay, will put you on the right track. Okay, accident. Accommodate. Remember that this word is large enough to accommodate two sets of double consonants. Okay, double both C and M. Accommodate. Acquire. The C acquire is silent, so it is often omitted in spelling. To help get it right, remember that you should see sounds like see, and something before you acquire it. Okay, acquit. The challenging, this is challenge with spelling acquit, is the same as the acquire. Remind yourself that acquit is related to acquisitions of criminal activities. To help remember, include of C, acquisition. So acquit means to you off from it. Okay, acquit. And then a lot, no, nothing else. There's a word like a lot and a lot. Okay, a lot, this one is quite the same. And then amateur, amateur. This word ends with the French suffix eur, the equivalent of English er, though it is pronounced like words that end with ure, amateur. Remind yourself that amateur need not to be mature. Okay, amateur, not mature. Okay, amateur, not mature. Then apparent is apparent that you must pay the rent. Okay, apparent. So remember, this word always has rent in it, but you don't want to pay double. Okay, apparent. Then argument does not argue with the loss of verb silent. Argue, normally we use argue like this. So when we put meant, we don't put. Okay, atheist, and theist mean God, and suffix ist just mean the one who believe in it. And the word believe, there are two types, f and ve. This is the noun, or this is the verb. And then bellwether, this one, bellwether is a term that isn't about the weather. Okay, today we remember this set first. Okay, and then let me check the word from quiz again. It may be mixed from another word that may not from this A and B word. Okay, review spelling quiz. Okay, check. Go. Again, to check you. Colin, are you there?
Count now.
Okay.
Okay, that now.
Okay. Good. Embarrass. Sorry, you have to. Embarrass. Definitely. Can you type it? Okay.
I accidentally typed in something wrong.
Okay.
I accidentally typed in something wrong.
Typing something wrong. Which one? Embarrass. Yeah, why? Let me check. How do you spell? Embarrass. EMBARRASS. Okay, embarrassed.
Yeah, did both the doubles.
Yeah, both double. Okay, go. Then next question. Okay, the other have judgment. has sought to exercise some rigor of judgment. Yeah. You're right.
I'm in second place.
Good. Okay, Colin.
Why am I in second
Okay,
place?
judgment without E, right? Judgment without E. Men. Okay. Millionaire. 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 Benefit of okay. Good kidding. Okay, millionaire. Double L, right? Mill and then lion and air with E. Okay. Mill, lion and air with E. Okay. Then. Go. Mischievous. Mischievous. A thing which is excellent in moderation and only mischievous in excess. Okay, let's see. Wow, you're both right. Okay, mischievous. Good. Pneumonia. Pneumonia. A kind of disease. Okay. Okay, pneumonia. Good, excellent. Just work.
I got paper for some reason.
Okay. Alimentation. 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 Just applying. This is
I cut myself because of the book. No, I need it now.
Only 4 questions. Okay, alimentation. This one, alimentation. Okay, alimentation. Then bereavement. 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 The state of having lost a loved one by death. Whose? Okay. Bereavement. Are you right? Good. Excellent. Yeah. Bereavement. Bereavement. This one with E. A lot of E. Okay. Bereavement. Clairvoyance. Clairvoyance. The act of power and professed by certain person. Okay. Yeah. Clairvoyance.
There's already an answer there.
Yeah. You didn't answer. Okay. Clairvoyance.
I mean, the answer's at the top.
Empty, not the top. Really? Oh, sorry. Clairvoyance. Good. Here one. Okay. Then. Yeah. Euphonious. Euphonious. He was enchanted with the music. Euphonious mean pleasing. Okay, good. Yeah. Okay, euphonious. Even EU, right? And PHO.
I got that one correct.
Good, excellent. The last.
Halter.
Halter. Halter. She made matters worse by her halter in court. Superior, assumption of superior arrogance, halter. Yeah. Okay. Is it difficult?
No, not at all.
No. Yeah, good. Okay, excellent. You got yay, halter. H-A-U-T-E-U-R, because it's from French. Wonderful. Next, yes. Let me check which word. Yay, congratulations. Wonderful. Okay. I want to see what's wrong with you. Okay, the very beginning one. What's wrong with this? Question. Okay, embarrassed. Oh, how do you spell? How did you spell?
EMBARRASS.
Yes, good. And then this one.
Millionaire.
Millionaire. How do you spell it?
Millionaire.
Again.
F-I-L.
Spell it again.
Did you say F?
Pardon?
Millionaire.
Yeah.
M-I-L-L-I-O-N-A-I-R-E.
Good. Okay. Then this is correct. And then alimentation. Alimentation. How do you spell it?
E-L-E-M-E-N-T-A-T-I-O-N.
Not E-L-E, but this one. A-L-I-M-E-N-T-A-T-I-O-N. Okay. Then one. Bereavement. You are really correct. Excellent. Clairvoyance. Good. And then, oh, you was wrong. Euphonous. Euphonous. EU. Then halter. Okay. Excellent. Okay, this word is the word that's mostly mistake. Okay, and then you have done as well. Only one word embarrassed. Next time. Okay. So today, I will try to help you by the rule of mnemonic technique sometimes. Okay, and tomorrow we are going to learn about the roots from other language like Greek, French, Spanish. Okay, that's one. So today, how do you feel? How are you?
Good.
Good. Okay, excellent. Try to keep fighting. Okay,